South China Morning Post, 1st of October 2023, Lifeng, China and Germany promise smooth supply chains and more economic collaboration. Germany faces significant losses if the Chinese market falls because of its high reliance on it. After resuming high-level talks in Frankfurt on Sunday, China and Germany decided to boost economic cooperation and open financial markets to promote economic growth and address global concerns. Following discussions between German Finance Minister Christian Lindner and Vice Premier Lifeng, all parties decided to safeguard global trade regulations, enhance policy coordination, and protect global financial security. This was said in a statement released by the Chinese Finance Ministry. According to the statement, they also decided to ensure smooth supply chains, but it didn't say how. The discussions follow the release of a German plan to de-risk its relationship with China by lowering its reliance on commodities made in the nation, which occurred when the two countries found it difficult to manage the risk of an economic downturn. According to state media Xinhua, China is ready to work with Germany to deepen mutual benefit and win-win cooperation to inject more positivity in the China-German Comprehensive Strategic Partnership. As Berlin re-evaluated the relationship, these discussions were the first high-level financial engagement between China and Germany in 4 years due to the COVID-19 epidemic. China's envoy demanded last week that Germany and Europe be more receptive to Chinese 5G technology and electric automobiles. Wu Ken stated that China was eager to expand cooperation with Europe and Germany on the premise of unequal advantage for China at a National Day event held in Berlin on Thursday to commemorate the 74th anniversary of the People's Republic's creation. We anticipate that Europe will exhibit greater transparency and self-assurance regarding the matter of electric cars and Huawei's 5G technology, Wu stated. He was reacting to rumors that the German Interior Ministry intended to compel regional telecom providers to remove crucial Chinese-supplied parts from their networks by 2026, including those from ZTE Corporation and Huawei Technologies. Additionally, this month, the European Commission opened an anti-subsidy investigation against China's exports of electric vehicles. During their most recent round of negotiations in January 2019, both parties committed to further open market access and enhance cooperation to increase economic linkages. They also inked agreements to strengthen coordination of banking, finance, and capital markets. Wu joked on Thursday about how little Europe and Germany had contributed to China's reform and growth while reiterating that his nation would continue to open up. He claimed that Europe had profited from this progress as well. He declared, China's great achievements are institutionally coded by reform and opening up, which started 45 years ago. China's future high-quality economic development will also occur under more open conditions. China has emerged as a significant growth and profit market for many German companies, and in turn, China's development has contributed to the economic prosperity and well-being of Europe and Germany. However, because the epidemic hampered communication and cooperation, differences between the two nations have grown during the last 3 years. He claimed that several negative articles and opinions on China's economy have recently been produced by European think tanks and so-called China experts. Some of these have even depicted China as the source of risk to the global economy. Awareness of concerns and hazards is important and helpful in light of a century of changes, the turn of the times, and growing global challenges. Wu stated, fear of change and competition should not lead us to stray from the path of cooperation, or to put up barriers. China acknowledged that Germany had legitimate concerns and fears. Wu urged both parties to step up efforts to strengthen relations and understanding, saying, I hope that the German government and society can continue to view students and scholars from China with an open mind rather than suspicion or even vigilance. We must plant more seeds of friendship in the minds and emotions of the youth in the two nations. They are not hazards but the two nations' future and the catalyst for their bilateral relations.